I'm sorry about the cutoff. My thing ran out of space, so I had to post what I had. Now, I hope I get... Now, in the future, I will get more of him and more of the other guy to have in my Lego Gotham City, and I'll put this whole map expanded in that Gotham City. Now, here is the Lex Luthor Thug Medic. Same printing on the back as him, but different face and hairstyle. Still a great looking figure, and a Creo gun. And I believe this one has brown pants. So, again, do not tell Deadpool. Maybe I'll hide Deadpool's mask in my Gotham. Alright, now it's time to figure out what group comes next. Okay, so here we have 4 Arkham Knight Militia guys. Now this guy has the custom print Deadpool arms that I got. I did get the official Deadpool, but I didn't really like the look of him. I liked the custom printed. He looked so cool. This guy has battle scar and battle damage on his face that is printed. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's there. And this cool jacket, which all 4 of them have. And he is actually the commander, which is why he gets the sniper rifle. Now let's go over here to the lieutenant. This one gets a Creo machine gun, very nice. And looks like he's a mixed race of African American and Caucasian, which I like diversity, which is why some of my figures are peach, some of them are yellow. Actually, most of them are yellow. Some are literally paper white. Some of them are Caucasian. And hopefully in the future I can get more African American skin tones or mixed race skin tones and stuff like that. Okay, and these last 2 are almost identical. The only thing that would change is which hand they hold the suppressed handgun in, as well as their face. This one has a clone head from Star Wars, and this one, I don't know where his head came from. I actually got the head for that guy in a random parts pack, which was not officially sold by Lego, but it was still really cheap and really good. I got a bunch of useful parts in those. So, yeah. Let me put these guys back, and then we can move on to the Joker Thug Outcast. Here we have the Joker Thug Outcast. Now, all of these look very random, and you'll notice a bunch of Star Wars parts involved in them, and they have some good weaponry, but not made for stop motion because I can't attach this orange cylinder piece to it to make it look like it's firing, which is why I gave the ones with loose arms and stuff those weaponry. Now this one doesn't have loose arms, but I don't have enough weaponry to attach that orange piece. Now in the future he will probably get a gun that I can actually attach the orange piece to, and he will be one of the main figures, because he does look pretty good, yet random. This one has a stud launcher. Now the heads underneath are really random. Well, I know one of them has a mummy head from a Lego Pharaoh Quest set, which I got when I was younger. Very cool set, although it was very small, because at the time we didn't, me nor my siblings got very many Lego sets. So here we have a guy with Magneto's torso piece and Wolverine's legs, which I've actually kind of I actually find kind of funny. I don't know where his head came from, but again, from a random pack. Here we have an older guy again with a copper color gun, which I actually kind of like. Again, with this torso, no printing on the back, and he looks very, very random, as he should. Here we have another random fig. Oh, he actually does have printing on the back. And his torso came in a Star Wars set that I got for Christmas, which was a pretty fun build, but I ended up taking it apart because A, I don't like Star Wars, and B, it was just nice to use the parts. Now, we're left with the Riddler thugs, which actually don't look like they work for Riddler. They actually look like they could work for Joker, which is the point. They're supposed to be identifiable, but look like they could blend in with these guys, which is sort of what Riddler does in Arkham Knight. He has thugs all over Arkham City and Gotham City that blend in, feeding him information, so Riddler knows exactly what's going on. Now, I like this guy. He looks good. I like him. But he is a medic with now these goggles are supposed to be thermal vision goggles. That way they can spot Batman easily if he is hiding on one of these, or if he just drops a smoke pellet so he can attempt to disappear. This guy has a bundle of dynamite, a Mega Block shotgun, and he works for Riddler. Again, he looks like he could very well blend in with these guys, and his printing on the back is the same as the printing on his back, but that would just be a waste of time to remove his backpack just so you could see the print and just see it again when you look at this guy. And his bundle of dynamite fell off, unfortunately. Yeah, but that's it for these the normal thugs. And I did realize I forgot to show a few figures that weren't made for this map, but could very well blend in on this map and fit. Okay, here are just a few figures that could be added to this map. And first up, I'll go through these Robins. Now, this first Robin is John Doe from Batman the Telltale series. I made this Robin because I got really excited when finding out you could have him as an ally. So I was kind of hoping he would become the first Robin, which unfortunately it was revealed that he won't. And he has a nice little staff, green and red suit, which I like. Next we have Dick Grayson, a yellow, red, and black suit with a nice red cape. And those Eskrima sticks. Here we have Jason Todd, which this specific version is supposed to be after he was tortured and supposedly killed by the Joker, which is why he has those guns. He's becoming Red Hood. Now, in the future, I will go ahead and add just a burnt red J on his cheek to show that, yes, he has been tortured. And you can see little scratches that I added to the suit to make it look like it's been through a lot. And this is what I used to add those little scratches in that puncture right on the R that you may have seen. Let's see if I can get the light to show it again. There it is. Yeah. I've added that with these to make it look like it was battle damaged. And how I ran